I'm Paul Lawrence, and I've been an educator for over 40 years. And no matter who I talk to in education, whether it's parents, whether it's teachers, whether it's principals, or even students themselves, they always say, I don't know my times tables well enough. So I've created a book and a system that we can use to help you help those kids learn their multiplication tables. It is a unique kind of feature, and it is a green product. So I want to explain just some of the things that we did, because you have to use this in your class. It's going to make a difference. You can use it for centers, and you can use it for whole class instruction. There are several different kinds of exercises in the book. There are fact recalls. There is the concept of multiplication, which applies to arrays, groups of things, and function machines. So let me show you a quick overview of that so you can use this in your class or with your kid at home. Fact recall sheets basically are mixed sets of multiplication problems, and they're also by individual times table. You can multiply, and you can put the communicator on top of the sheet, and you can have your child or your student write in the responses to those multiplication problems. And once they're written in, you turn the page over, and it is a self-check. Put your communicator right below it, 24, 8, 49, 8, and 36. We made up arrays based on the individual times tables and by mixed facts. This time the communicator is placed on the arrays, and the kid writes down 2 rows, because it's too high, times the number of columns, which in this case is 6, is equal to 12. This one is 10 rows by 10 columns, so the answer is 100. This one is 7 by 5, so the answer is 35. Once again, your child can check this, or your student can check that by simply turning the page over and placing the communicator on top, and 2 times 6 equals 12, 10 times 10 equals 100, and 7 times 5 equals 35. Groups are done by tables, individual tables, and by mixed sets of problems. So we have 10 groups of 6 equals 60. We have 2 groups of 3 is equal to 6. We have 7 groups of 8 is equal to 56. Turn it over and check. With function machines, what you can do is choose a function machine and put it in any times table that you like. Times 7, this is 21, 35, 49, 28. Turn it over, take a blank sheet of paper, put your clear piece of paper next to the times table that you've chosen. Take your communicator and put that right next to it, and you can check your facts. Now, the reason we want to use this in our class is because it is a green product. As you saw me use as you see, we can use the communicator. By using the communicator, you can have kids work in centers and use the same sheets over and over and over. If a kid needs a lot of practice on the 8 times table for arrays, you can use the same sheet over and over and over. The whole idea is the kid gets to practice as much as they want without using a lot of paper. When you finally do you can copy as many sheets as you want. You can make up your own set of materials. What we'd like you to do is go to our website and see the other products that we have. We'd like you to see some of the other videos that you have. When you buy the kit and you buy the book, you will get a DVD, a professional DVD that gives you even more information I'm giving on this little segment right here. So thanks for listening, and make sure you go to our website, www.wllteach.com.